Hi, this is Ruth speaking from ArtfulSassDesign. It's been a while, combination of moving house, being sick, you name it, I've been there. Anyway, even while sick, I was still working away, and I've got three new journals to show, but this is number one. So this is a little travel journal, 8 by 4.5, and let's get started. So the kit for this, for most of the images and things in this journal, is available in ArtfulSassDesign on Etsy. I have closed it with a simple, just a simple cloth design, but I've zigzagged an extra bit on, which I think the colour ties in beautifully. It's just wrap around and twist and tie. To keep it safe, I have made the back of the journal flap over to the front to give it a nice, safe, secure sort of format, so it's quite sturdy. We've got a map of the world. We've got Australia and Asia, and we open up to America and a little bit of Europe. So opening up, I have two signatures, and the inside cover. We open onto the first signature, a very old map of the world. And the first flap, this is a very old map of Paris, and a nice deep pocket for a tuck spot, and a treasure chest with a little tuck spot again on this side. Live life with no excuses, travel with no regrets. And we have space for more journal cards here on the left hand side. This is a little paper it's actually from my motherhood journal, but I just love the colours tying in with these journal cards. On this side we've got a few of the travel posters made into deep pocket and a couple of cards. We've got an old stamp, and that is printed onto tissue paper and then just collaged with Mod Podge. One of the journal pages from the kit, a little bit of tea stained paper, and another card journal, a little pocket with a journal card, a little bit stenciling, Tim Holtz stencil, a little flap, and a little secret pocket there, and a postcard from Paris, Gay Paris. Dream destinations, you can list all the places you want to travel to, or have been, of course. And a deep pocket there. This is made from a recycled envelope, and I made a little peephole there. And here we have a deep pocket with some of the words from the kit, and another postcard for jotting down ideas and thoughts. And here we have a little ledger paper, and we have one of the tags from the kit, and we have a little tag from the kit again, and just tucks into this little pocket here. Whoops, it will do if I can I'll do that later. Another one of the envelopes of the kit, and here we have the center of the first signature. Have these pockets we can open out, and you can put things in there. I'll tuck something in there before it goes on sale, and that just closes. And on this side we have multiple pockets, so we have a deep journal card there, and some little ephemera, that from my kit. I think this is Victoria Designs Jade green kit, and another one of the tags from the kit. This little bit of green ties in with the next page, where we have this beautiful turtle. He's in the kit, and that opens up to a little secret pocket. That's from the kit, and that's just to give him somewhere to swim. Suitcases and 3 little cards from a kit. And here we have a flap, the Bathing Beauty there. And the flap is an old Chinese map, which I thought was just beautiful. The colours are just incredible. And 2 journal cards. And here we have the other side of the recycled envelope. And we have a little journal card with some collage. And that, obviously, when it's sitting in there, you can see San Francisco Bridge through the little window. You can see the bridge. I like that. And here we have a flip out, and that's a little pocket. That's from Victoria Designs, and this is one of the tags from the kit. It's a secret treasure map. And Paris. Oh, I forgot to say, this is one of the background papers from ArtfulSassDesign, as is this, and that's one of the journal pages in the kit. And we have another fold over from the tea stained paper and a couple of journal cards. I think this is from Victoria Designs. It's from my stash, and a little poster from the kit making a nice tucked in journal card, and that's just a little bit of linen. Actually I think it might be cotton. A little pocket from the kit and some interesting little things tucked in there. And here we have a secret map. This was an old map which makes an interesting extra paper for people to look at and to write on. You can write over this. I think it looks better that way. I just love all the colours. It ties in beautifully with the other things. And now we're on to the second signature. You can see the cotton in between. A little Grecian Madonna. She's lovely. And one of the postcards from the kit. Do not follow where path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. And no rubbish, of course. Here we have a little belly band from the posters. And this was where my printer went a little bit strange, but I just love the jade colour, so I decided to keep them anyway. I love the colour it made the cards. That just all tucks in nicely there. Little explorer sign where you can tuck something interesting. Here we have another flap and a little secret pocket with some more of the posters. Here we have another saying from the kit. There's a whole page of little travelling quotes. And we have little India with little lace trim. These colours tie in nicely. That's a little bit of label there. Sometimes when you're tea staining you get a little damage on the edge, and using Tracy Fox's labels helps you strengthen the edge. That is Love Junk Journals. She does wonderful labels. And another tea stained pocket, and this one is a little envelope. So it's got a map and a little compass, and you can store anything you like in there. That's just a little poster from France. So that one can sit like that, or you can have it tucked so that the nice compass shows on the front, because that's a beautiful shape. So you can do it either way. And one of the journal pages from the kit, and another one of these recycled envelopes. So that's from Japan, little poster, and tea stained paper making an interesting shape on the back. And the other side is the poster again, and another one of the collage papers from the Motherhood kit on ArtfulSassDesign. Here's a slightly bigger envelope, a little ticket. So again, we've got maps, and I have lined the inside with a little bit of tea stained paper just for interest, and you can put tickets and ephemera from your travels in there. It just slips in there. Let's get lost. Not often people say that, but getting lost is sometimes part of the fun. And a journal page. And here we have, whoops, sorry, doing 2 pages at once here. Here we have the center of the second signature. So I have done a layered pocket. So we have a little bit collage paper in the background and lots of room to put bigger things in the back pocket. And here we have another collage paper at the back, and just the other half of the map of Paris that was on the front, on the right at the front, and the lovely swan. In Australia you get black swans. I think they're stunning. I've got a tiny little pocket, but it takes little bits of ephemera. And like the colour progression there. Some more of the stamps. There's and printed on tissue paper and Mod Podged again. And the other half of, that's from India, little collage. And here you can see that we've got a little Dutch lady with tulips from the Netherlands. And some of the posters making a pretty collage on that. And there's room to write on the back. And here's a page you can write your memories. And the back of the poster paper from the journal page from the kit. And we have a little tuck spot at the top and a little journal card that tucks in. I haven't put a lot of toppers to the journal cards because I wanted to keep the journal slimmer. I didn't want too fat a journal. So that's from Victoria Designs. Jade green, not jade green. Oh, my brain's gone dead. It's a little collage journal card there. It's a Victoria Design kit. So there we go. And some more Mod Podge and tissue. And the last page on this, the last but one page. So we've got a big deep pocket, and we've got the lovely vintage boats. It's interesting for me because my parents went on a boat to India when they were very young. Not a paddle steamer, but a very old boat. It's amazing to think all these years ago. They travelled to India, they had to go by boat. It took a long time, weeks. With 2 small children, it must have been a nightmare. That's what people did though. Little notebook, and it's got the cover, it's a little map of the world. And here we have a little tiny little pocket with the open front, and you've got a little panda. I am not the same, having seen the moon shine on the other side of the world. Travel is fun. Not that people have been doing much of it recently, but hopefully things will change now and we'll all be able to get back to normal. And that is the last of that. This is one of the journal pages from the kit, Victoria Design. And that's the journal. I hope you've enjoyed this little brief look through. Got a nice sturdy journal, and I'll give this a coat of varnish and it will all be ready. It's got slim profile, it's not too fat, but there's still room for more. So to close it up, you just tuck it around. That's simple. And I just twist the last bit and it tucks in. Very simple, easy to keep, and please have fun with it. I'll be posting another couple of videos quite soon, although it does take me time to get them up. Thank you for being with me today. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have a great day. Bye for now.